Well, you knew LeBron was going to make the play, right? Look at all the green
Gandang
and
pasa
black
ni Lebron,
jerseys
no, mga
as he
boss?
drives.
Nice play.
Collapses on the king, and he finds one of his core gestures in the corner. And Dennis Schroeder, ice water in the vein.
Schroeder has gone 3 of 4 from distance. James comes up with his 4th assist. And 1.4 to go. The Wolves took their final timeout.
How about the stare down by Schroeder? Everything, and if you're Darvin Ham, make sure you are not fouling in the act of shooting if you're going to take a foul.
Anderson looks for the open man. It's a 3 off.
And it's a foul on Anthony Davis.
And Anthony
contesting. A foul on Anthony Davis on the shot by Connolly in the short corner.
On a 3-point drive. And that means 3 free throws.
Namaan
And
yung mga bossing.
has not been to the line
Namaan
tonight.
yung
And they can't
puti.
challenge it. Yep, there's the contact right there. That's an easy call. You're protecting the player.
Conley is an 83% free throw shooter. He's had a monster game tonight for the Timberwolves. 20 points, 6 threes, but his first free throw attempt coming up with a 10th of a second. Left in the game, they trail by 3.
And a lot of icing going on at the free throw line. Vanderbilt.
This is Minnesota's first free throw attempt this half.
Oh my goodness. That was a nervous Nelly first free throw there by Conley. And he has 2 more to go. Love playing basketball. This is what you want.
Mukhang overtime pa, mga idol, no?
No timeouts.
Oh man, that's pressure.
Ayun na nga, overtime pa nga yan, mga boss.
Absolute pressure.